I'm sure you have hobbies outside of work. So, what is your favorite or few favorites?
I'm thinking, do I really get to have hobbies outside of work? Um, let's see. So it depends on the season. Right now we're coming into summer, so I like to do anything that's near the water in the summertime. So I like to go out and go kayaking. I'll go paddleboarding with a girlfriend of mine. Um, I like to do some gardening. I'm not super good at growing a lot of things, but I do like to try to grow some tomatoes and cucumbers and lettuce, just, things like that. So we have some fresh things to eat in the summer months. Depending on like the time of year, the fall, the spring, like I really like to do things that are creative. Like I love to do scrapbooking. I love to try and think of myself as a photographer. um but I also like to read depending on what the book is, but I'm excited now that our kids are older that we're going to be able to start doing some more traveling because I love traveling and checking out new places, so that'll be something fun to look forward to here very soon. So kind of a little bit of a mixed bag, but it kind of just changes, I think, throughout life. I don't think I don't know if everybody has hobbies that stay the same throughout their whole life. Some people probably do, but not me.